We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and we're going to talk about some key levels here with 42 Vision. And if you watch my video on Friday and yesterday Sunday, I stated that this was in a very exciting point, and I've been pointing out how powerful 42 Vision is, and some people comment down below things that have nothing to do with the technical analysis, like stating, oh, just because 42 Vision is showing this, it's going to do this, and it really does it. So we're going to break it all down here, and I'm going to prove it to you guys based off the history of the charts and what the charts are showing now. And if you are interested in gaining clarity like no other in the charts yourself, check out the 42 Vision indicator link down below. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the 3 home run opportunities that were mentioned this morning over at the Discord. They cannot be overlooked. They were spectacular and beyond expectations. And we're going to jump right into it here with Prog and everything the charts are showing. So the home runs of the day were spectacular, and every single stock we mentioned this morning turned out to be a home run. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one gave us 20% plus. Let's go ahead and look at these charts together. SGBX, I mentioned it in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It hit extreme weakness here on 42 Vision. We got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, the upgrade coming soon, and it took off to a highest point of 25% plus. Now we have here ACET. We caught this one in the pre-market when it was consolidated, and then it started pulling downwards after the bell. It started to take off. It gave nearly 20% plus in the first run, pulled back down, and took off for another 10 to 15% plus, giving it a highest point from the dip to the rip of nearly 35% plus, but reaching a 30% plus opportunity from those bottoms. But at the peak, it was nearly 35% plus, guys. Now, this was the home run of the day that was spectacular and way beyond expectations. And this had a lot of volatility in the first couple of hours of the day. Now, I did give jumps of 10 to 20% within those time frames, but the 5-minute on 42 Vision 2.0 was showing clear strength, and Ultimate 42 Vision with that bull indicator and no bear indicators popping up was confirming that there was more strength to be seen if inflow and volume picked up, and it certainly did. We caught this one in the pre-market as it pulled downwards in that consolidation period, 10 to 20% jumps, but it hit a highest point once volume started to pick up of 120% plus, guys. If you want to gain access to these opportunities and gain on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and Prog reversed and started to go into strength today. As I stated in the last video, that this wasn't a location of excitement, okay? For those that were going to trade this for the first time or try to catch the dip and ride it back up, this was a great opportunity. Now, the most recent one was pretty weak. I did point that out, but this one here was looking exciting based off of 42 Vision 2.0 and also Ultimate 42 Vision, which I'm going to bring up here on the charts now. And these are resources and tools you can gain access to now as well. Check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicator. You gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors that are like-minded and all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the clarity you deserve in the charts through the volatility to be able to maximize on these opportunities based off what the charts are showing, guys. So the last time we saw this happen and it came with real strength was around here. It jumped nearly 10 to 20% plus. I stated that, and here we are seeing it go from 214 all the way up to 283, nearly a 30 to 40% jump, guys. I mean, I'm telling you guys, there is strength here with what's going on in the charts and what 42 Vision brings. Now, in the bigger picture, it has been showing it's been going in a downtrend, but it has been giving these jumps, and I have stated that they quickly turn into bull traps. Now, the one thing we were hoping for, though, based off the history of the chart, is seeing this run around $2 to $2.20 around this area to see if it can break out and let the bulls start gaining traction again, okay? This could be a bull trap, but it also could be the point where the bulls have actually gained or regained some type of leverage here in the charts and can start a run like the one we saw here and like the one we saw here. I'm not stating it's going to get back up to these highs here of $4 to $5 or $6, but it could do a reversal here, okay? So this is a key level to be watching this. The only thing is that this transition has happened pretty quickly here on the 30-minute, and we need to see if it can bring the 4-hour up with it and the 1 day. So that's what we're going to break down. Let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision. So you could see here how the transitions on 42 Vision happen from white with red borders to red with green, dark green, and green. We have 42 Vision 2.0 showing a shift here from red to green. And then we have that bull indicator. This is the upgrade that's releasing soon, which is Ultimate 42 Vision, giving that third confirmation of things pushing upwards on the 30-minute. Let's go ahead and see here how the 4-hour is looking. So the 4-hour is just beginning a shift, okay? The last time this happened, it wasn't with white with red borders, but it was red. We got that red with green, and then it gave us dark green. So the key thing I'm going to be watching here with PROG on the 4-hour is if it can get out of this bearish indicator, do a reversal like this one, start going into green, shifting into that upward trend, and also 42 Vision 2.0 leveling off and going into green, creating some strength, and then that bull indicator as confirmation to break out of this bear indicator, because I have stated how powerful this was, because through the volatility it had confirmed since way up here that this was in a bearish trend, and the bear indicator had popped up for confirmation. 42 Vision 2.0 shifted, and also 42 Vision has done the complete shifts, and it has had many bull traps on the way down. Now this is not confirmed to be a bull trap, but it could turn into one if the bulls don't put pressure on the shorts. And we're going to look at the short data and what it's showing. Now the 1 day is just as significant because we did shift here on 42 Vision 2.0. Hopefully this is a small blip, but if this continues this pattern, this could eventually pull this down even further, and we have support levels to watch, and we are under a bear indicator, and every single bar here has been red since way up here, like the 4-hour sent out the bear indicator, and the confirmation happened here on the 1 day at $4 as well. So on the 30-minute, things are looking pretty exciting. This might just be a trade or the beginning of a true reversal. So the short interest here is showing 16%. If you remember last week, it was at 18%. Another thing as well, days to cover is still hanging around the same area. If this was to go higher and this starts going lower, this could eventually trap the shorts and make this squeeze, as a lot of investors would be expecting. And also, covering has happened based off the data that we saw last week to this week by nearly 2%, and it's reflecting in the charts. So if that days to cover continues this low though, it could give the flexibility once again for the shorts and the bears to manipulate the price action, create a bull trap, and pull this down even further. Based off the 4-hour, it's trying to reverse. 30-minute full strength. 1 day is still in the middle of it all, right? So we really want to see that 1 day start to curvature back up, and all of these pull each other up together, and we want to see the bulls break through $2.98. I'll just round that up to $3, and then way back up here at $3.65 to reach newer highs and new resistance levels to see if it can create a consolidation up here or some support to then break out to the newer levels that we have to see, and eventually trap more shorts and make a squeeze possibly happen. This is just the beginning of it. 2%, 18 to 16% of short squeeze or short float interest is out there. We need to see if it can continue going lower, and if that days to cover keeps on incrementing, giving this much more of a push further to the upside, and that we stay away from these support levels down here of $2.14 and $2. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.